Good old sassafras. So I'm gonna need a little help, if you don't mind. My rails are straight. They're level. As you can see right there, I got the piff set on the log. Learned that from you. My machine's level. Everything is good. Look what it just did. It took a dive. That log is level. If you put a level on it, that log is level. Them rails are level. My carriage is level. I think my blade's dull. Just want some opinion. If you just give me a little opinion if you had that. I don't know if a log of different trees will pull your blade down, because I really hate to go through a bunch of blades, but anyway, appreciate any feedback. Thanks.